Fires at solid waste disposal sites are becoming an increasingly dangerous and costly problem in Jamaica. It's why the National Solid Waste Management Authority is warning that without a major cultural shift in how garbage is handled, the situation could worsen. Sandy Williams has the details.
From Riverton to other disposal facilities across the island, fires continue to break out, sending plumes of smoke into nearby communities and raising serious environmental concerns. But according to Executive Director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Audley Gordon, the issue is about how Jamaicans dispose of garbage at the source.
We have only in just a few years ago, started separating plastic bottles, for example. We need to do more separation of the plastics. We need to go into full separation mode. Now, the old clothes is mixed with the peeling from the food, with the leftover from the kitchen, with the plastic, even the old electronics. Everything is being thrown out together.
That mixing of waste, he explains, is a major trigger for fires, especially when hazardous materials like old electronics are dumped alongside organic waste.
All those things, even the phones, can cause fire. We have seen where a truck would run over a whole cell phone battery explode and cause fire at the disposal site. We have gotten all those e-waste. Well, not all, but a high percentage of it out of the waste stream now, and it's going into a different direction.
Public education campaigns have encouraged the separation of plastics and e-waste, reducing the number of hazardous items entering disposal sites. But despite those gains, Mr. Gordon says the biggest challenge remains what he describes as the elephant in the room, compostable waste. Mr. Gordon says between 67 and 70% of garbage taken to disposal sites is organic and could be composted instead.
If we could get people to begin to separate the compostables from the waste, very little would be left to transport to a disposal site, because just imagine you have 100%. You take the plastic out, send it in one direction. The metals are going in one direction. The compostable, which is about 70% roughly, going in another direction to make your soil nutrients.
The benefits, he argues, go beyond reducing fires, pointing to significant economic and environmental gains.
Look at the benefit to the country, to the environment, to the taxpayer. We will need less trucks, have to pay less workers, and we will need less acreage to be devoted for disposal facility.
The NSWMA is now intensifying its call for a nationwide cultural shift, urging Jamaicans to take responsibility for waste separation at the household level. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.